Welcome to the best and most efficient exercise course you're ever going to take. My name is Matt Scaletti, and I'm a certified health coach, personal trainer, fitness nutrition specialist, and mind-body specialist. You will benefit in so many ways from this course. You will learn exercises that you can do in your own home, which will save you an enormous amount of time, and you will build confidence that you can use these exercises on your own or continue to play the videos and do them with me. Either way, your energy and confidence levels will go up exponentially. I want to show you a clip of what one of the workouts will look like. So jump, jump, jump lunge, jump lunge. Good job. This one is tough. This one's intense. But this is where you see the improvement in your lives. You officially did it. Oh, I'm so happy that you made it through and you stuck it out. It's got to be a great feeling to get another workout in the books. I know I couldn't be happier for you. I hope you enjoyed that mini clip and a little bit of what you can expect with this course. My ideal student is somebody who is willing to learn, who's always on the go, because these workouts you'll learn are very efficient, they're quick, they're simple, and they're extremely effective and will help you succeed in the long run. There's only one thing left to do. Enroll now and start your healthy living fitness journey with me.